Hello and welcome to my channel. Now today is day 2 in Budapest and I've decided to go on one of these walks where somebody takes you around explaining what's around, etc. And I thought that would be the best way of taking me to good places to photograph. I'll take this photo first and then I'll catch up with you later. Here I'm just walking towards Freedom Square as it's known. Now that monument ahead of us, I'll discuss that in a moment, but I just want to take a picture of these bikes or scooters because you can hire these as a group and get a tour of the city with a guide. But anyway, back to the monument. It's very controversial because critics argue that it presents Hungarians mainly as the victims of the Nazi occupation, but it doesn't acknowledge the fact that Hungary's government had a role in collaborating with the Nazis during the Holocaust. I don't really want to turn this video into a history lesson, but I think this is worth a mention. These shoes represent the thousands of Jews that were murdered by the fascist Arrow Cross militia during the Second World War. The victims were ordered to remove their shoes before being shot and pushed into the river to be carried away by the currents of the Danube. I thought it was worth getting a couple of shots of the Hungarian Parliament building, which is very spectacular and apparently even more spectacular inside. My day 3 involved a train journey, or a couple of trains, and a short ferry trip to the town of Visegrad. So I thought I'd start by slowing the shutter speed right down so that I could get the train blurred with sharp people in front of the train, and I'm quite happy how they turned out. Sitting on the train, I noticed this great bit of light coming across that post, and so I'm just waiting now for somebody to be in front of it so that I can get a really good shot, if it's possible, through the window, and I'm really happy with this one. Now for the final part of my journey across to Visegrad on a small ferry, so I thought I'd get a couple of shots here. So there's the ferry that's coming across. It holds a few cars, quite a few people on bikes and a few foot passengers, and it's a ferry that has a different boat pushing it and pulling it. today is my final full day in Budapest, and I understand there's a marathon on, which by the looks of it across the river has started. So I thought I'll head down that way and see if I can get some shots, capture the atmosphere of the marathon. I believe there's a marathon, a 10k and probably a 5k. It looks like the marathon started. I can see runners across the other side of the river Danube. So I'm just hoping the bridge that I'm heading for has got a walkway for me to get across. I just had to get this shot. I wasn't sure whether this chap was stretching his muscles or holding that wall up. I can see a chap just walking towards me with a beard. I really must get a photo of him. And there it is, quite happy with that. This is the beginning of one of the 10k runs, and I just want to get the runners right at the beginning. And I'm happy with that shot. Now I've just noticed that chap with a beard again, and I've just got to get another picture of him. I'm so close, so I've got to be really careful. And there it is, quite happy with that. I've just noticed a photographer to the left of me, and I just want to move forward and get a photo of him. Yeah, happy with that, just got the camera in his hand. Here's the start of the next 10k, and I just want to grab this one as well. Yes, happy with that shot. I've just noticed this pocket of light and shadows, and I just want to get somebody walking through the light there. And there we go, happy with that. I've just noticed this couple on this table here, and I want to get a shot, but I want to get close, so it's going to have to be a hip shot. So I'm just setting my camera up, make sure all the settings are okay, and just moving forward, getting the light right and all the settings. And now I'm going to close in for my hip shot and walk past them. And there it is. Happy with that one. Well, if you enjoyed that video, please give me the thumbs up, it always helps the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.